Hello friends, I am Sangeeta and I welcome you to see another new episode on my YouTube channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get my further video notifications. Festive seasons are coming. It's time for Navratri and Durga Puja. During Navratris, most people give up non-veg food. They don't even eat onion and garlic also. So today's video is one of the Navratri special without onion and garlic, a spicy Chatpata dish, Achari Paneer. So without wasting time, let's start. For this I have taken 1 tablespoon white oil in a preheated pan. I have taken here 200 gram paneer. We'll marinate this with 1 teaspoon salt and we'll just slightly saute this in the oil for few seconds. You should not fry this till brown, just slightly saute and immediately dip them in hot boiling water. Now this helps the paneer to remain very soft and moist. Now we will prepare our gravy part, and for this we'll make a paste of 4 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 medium-sized capsicum, 1 inch ginger and 2 green chillies. It will be a smooth Chatpata gravy, so we are making a paste of all this. Now in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, as mustard oil brings the beautiful taste and texture in this dish. Now we will add our tadka, and for this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel, that is soft, half teaspoon of kalonji and 1/4 of methi. I am also adding 4 to 5 dry red chili. Now saute this for few seconds, and now I am adding 1 teaspoon of hing. Now hing brings the beautiful aroma in veg dishes. Now put the gas in low flame and now directly add the masalas in the oil. I am adding half teaspoon haldi powder, 2 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoon of lal mirch powder. Now I am not adding Kashmiri lal mirch powder today. This is a normal lal mirch powder to make the dish more spicy. Now saute this for few seconds and now add the tomato paste. Now cook this in medium to high flame for 10 to 12 minutes till you see the oil is releasing from the sides. See, you can see the texture, the masalas are now well cooked. Now we'll add little water. Mix this very well and let it boil. Now I'm adding 100 gram well beaten curd, that is dahi, and mix well. Now add salt as per taste. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of mango pickle, that is aam ka achar. Adding pickle is must to get the achari flavor. You can add any pickle as per your choice. Now add the soaked paneer. Mix everything very well. Cook for another 5 minutes in medium flame. Now this is done. Lastly, I am adding some crushed Kasuri Methi. And some chopped coriander leaves. and your Chatpata spicy Achari Paneer is ready now. As this recipe is without onion and garlic, you can easily have during your puja days, Vrat time, Navratri time. It goes well with puri, rice, roti, paratha. Actually, it goes with everything. Hope you like this chatpata and spicy Achari Paneer recipe. Don't forget to share your feedback with me and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.